The Monumento Nazionale of Vittorio Emanuele II, commonly known as the Vittoriano, dominated the skyline of Rome in 1960. This colossal white monument, dedicated to the first king of a unified Italy, was a symbol of national pride. The structure's grand staircase and equestrian statues created a majestic ambiance, inviting both locals and tourists to ascend and enjoy panoramic views of the city. In the 1960s, Rome was evolving as a modern capital while preserving its timeless allure. The Senatorial Palace, also known as the Palazzo Senatorio, is a historic building located on the Piazza del Campidoglio, which sits atop the Capitoline Hill in Rome. In 1960, the Senatorial Palace continued to be a key architectural and political landmark in the city. The square itself, redesigned by Michelangelo, featured a harmonious blend of classical architecture and artistic elements. The bronze statue of Emperor Marcus Aurelius on horseback, located at the center of the square, was a notable highlight. The architectural landscape of Rome in the 1960s was a captivating blend of ancient and modern. The Colosseum, an iconic symbol of ancient Rome, continued to draw crowds, serving as a reminder of the city's grand past. The Roman Forum, with its ruins and columns, stood as a testament to the political and social life of ancient Rome. These architectural wonders were not just tourist attractions, they were integral parts of the daily lives of Romans, providing a backdrop for everyday activities and a source of pride for the city's residents. In 1960, Rome, the capital of Italy, was a city deeply rooted in history, yet undergoing significant changes in the post-war era. The sights of Rome were a captivating mix of ancient landmarks, Baroque masterpieces, and contemporary developments. The city's atmosphere was both nostalgic and forward-looking, providing a unique backdrop to the daily lives of its residents. The iconic Colosseum, a symbol of ancient Rome, dominated the cityscape. This grand amphitheater, where gladiator contests and public spectacles once took place, stood as a testament to the power and ingenuity of the Roman Empire. Tourists and locals alike marveled at the Colosseum, immersing themselves in the rich history that echoed through its ancient walls. The Roman Forum, a sprawling archaeological site, showcased the remnants of ancient government buildings, temples, and public spaces. It served as a tangible connection to Rome's political and social life in antiquity. As people navigated the cobblestone streets surrounding the Forum, they walked in the footsteps of Julius Caesar and Cicero, feeling the weight of history beneath their feet.